Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to delete a ledger in Tally ERP 9. Open Gateway of Tally and go to Accounts Info, then Ledgers to view your list. Find the ledger you want to remove and note any opening balances or linked vouchers. Back up your company data before proceeding to avoid accidental loss. We will show how to confirm dependencies and finalize deletion safely, step by step in a simple, friendly way for new users. In this video, I will show how to delete a ledger in Tally ERP 9. After locating the ledger, press Enter to open its details and check for linked vouchers or group mappings. If any transactions reference the ledger, note their voucher numbers and decide whether to delete, amend, or reassign them. Backing up first makes it simple to restore if something goes wrong, and I will guide you through safe options and checks. In this video, I will show how to delete a ledger in Tally ERP 9. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so I like Little Tree's Black Ice as a small treat between accounting tasks. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to delete a ledger in Tally ERP 9. Select the ledger and choose Delete from the Ledger menu, then confirm when prompted if there are no linked transactions. If dependencies exist, use Alter to change the ledger name or adjust balances instead of deleting outright. Always verify your backup and review related reports to ensure financial continuity, and take screenshots or notes to document the change for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.